What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back here at JDMHQ today, featuring another beautiful car. Now this thing's a little bit different. This is a 2010 URS206 Majesta. This thing is beautiful. Now let's run the intro and then I'll take you for a spin around the whole thing. Okay, so for exterior on this beauty, it's pretty factory. Here at JDMHQ, they do bring a lot of very factory cars in because they're very clean. Nice, clean, haven't been played with, so you get some quality. Now it has got a Modelista body kit, but apart from that, she's stock on the outside completely. But to be honest with you, the main excitement about this car is inside. I can't wait to show you the inside of this thing. Let's jump inside, guys. I'm gonna do this one a little bit different. I'm gonna start in the back and then go to the front because the back has quite a lot of features just on its own. Just to start with, look at the finish of this car. The leather stitching, the wood grain. Oh, this thing is mint. Now you've got the back sunshades because these cars are kind of designed to be driven around in. So you're in the back just cruising in comfort. So that one's down, but you have got the option of the blind here as well. As you can see, look, the back seats, they've got heating, they've got cooling, they've got reclining. You can change a track, you can change a volume, you can put a back sunshade up. There's so much stuff in the back here, but let's not let that take away from the front because the front has some features. I mean, look at this. You've got speakers on your shoulders, guys. I have never seen a car with speakers on your shoulders. Apparently it's a 20 speaker system. Just incredible. Now we'll go passenger side. Just look at the wood grain in this. I mean, a lot of wood grain in cars looks tacky. It looks like the trees just jumped inside. It's mint. Nice little hideaway down here for your stereo. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I'm really excited about this car. It's just, I know it's not a sports car or anything, but this thing's just mint. Now they're asking 25 grand for this, but when you see what happens when you sit in the driver's seat, you can understand why. Let's just take you around there. Okay, so firstly, a lot of Japanese luxury cars love this. Check this out. Now I'm not saying that's the thing worth 25 grand. It's cool, but have a look at this. Just hop in here. Look at this dash, full digital dash. I'll start it up and you'll hear the little Japanese welcoming. This is 2010, guys. This is some features for 2010. I love this thing. And I'm noticing that my back is getting really cold because it has heated and cooled seats. Oh, there she is, little welcome. That's not a welcome actually, as far as I'm aware, that's a warning saying that you don't have the Japanese toll system. Now, if I'm wrong, chuck it in the comments, but I'm pretty sure that's what she's saying there. Now this thing's got a 4.6 litre V8. I'm not gonna go into a big feature on the engine bay because it's literally just a big cover over the engine, but 4.6 litre. This thing, oh, I'd love to put an exhaust on this just to see what it sounds like, but it would be blasphemy because it's just so tidy and so clean. I mean, look at the finish on this thing. I know I said it before, but you got all the new BMWs and Audis coming out, all plastic and creaky. This, yeah, okay, it's got plastic in it, but the amount of leather and wood in this thing, oh, this thing's a beauty. Now this is not meant to be an ad, guys, but I feel like someone's going to really appreciate this car. So JDMHQ are selling this currently when I upload this video. All their information is going to be in the description if you are interested. They ship Australia wide. Hit them up. Reg is a champ. He really looks after people. So if you can, try it out. If not, just enjoy it. This thing, oh, this is tidy. The only thing it doesn't have is a sunroof, but a lot of people don't like sunroof, so that could be a bonus for some people. Anyway, guys, thanks for coming along for this little journey in this one. I know it was a little bit different, but I think it was exciting for me anyway. So thanks for tuning in on this one, guys. I know it was a little bit different. It's a lot more luxury, a lot less sports, but I love this thing. If you've enjoyed it, hit like, hit subscribe, share it with your friends, maybe blow the channel up. I'm gonna be doing a lot more car reviews on Japanese cars. I might try and get something a little bit spicy in there as well. I'm gonna be doing how-tos. And to be honest, if you wanna see something, chuck it in the comments. Anything car related, I'm happy to do. Have a bit of fun with it. I'm really enjoying doing this whole YouTube thing, so let's do it together and tell me what you want to see, and I'll see what I can do. All right, I'll catch you next time, guys. Thanks. If luxury wasn't your thing, guys, stay tuned, because in a couple of episodes we're gonna have some spice.